All right, we're going to be doing an isometric drawing of this thing. The first thing that we're going to do is to find out what the length, the breadth, and the height is. To do that, you'll see that I've made little ticks in between these blocks to count the number of blocks going across here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write it down, equals 10. Length is equal to 10. What is the breadth? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks breadth. What is the height? You see this little gap over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks in the height. Right, once I've done that, the next thing to do is to do what they call a fish tank. And you're going to take I like a little bit of color on my drawings, just your construction lines. This is done as a construction line. You're going to come down here and you're going to count off 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks there. You're going to come to that point over there and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks there. You're going to go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks there. I then come over here and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over there. That should be 10. That should be 5. 10 blocks. And that should be 5 blocks over there. Make sure that you can see that you've got the 10 blocks there, 10 blocks there, 10 blocks there, and that they are all parallel. 7 blocks there, 7 blocks there, 7 blocks there, and they're all parallel. 5 blocks there, 5 blocks there, 5 blocks there, and that they are all parallel. Once you've done that, then you can start filling in what you can see on the front here. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go 1, 2 blocks across, 1, 2 blocks there, 1, 2 blocks there. 1 block up, 1 block up. That joins up over there. It goes 1 block up. I'm just going to draw a little construction line coming across there. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 blocks across. 1, 2, 3 blocks across. And it's the same on that side. 1, 2, 3 blocks across. Then that goes all the way up to the top over there. So I can draw a line going all the way up to the top and all the way up to the top. Go across 1 block here. Go across 1 block there. 1 block down. 1 block down. Draw that in. Down from there, you can see that little story over there. And then 1 block down, there's another little whole story going over there. And you can see I've done everything that was on the front on there. Right. The next thing is, with an isometric view, you'll note that there are 3 lines going into a corner over here. If you have 3 lines, you know that you're doing it correctly. So 1, 2, 3, you can see I've got 2 lines going into that corner, and I've got a 3rd line going across. So let's draw that in. Shoot that across there. That then goes down over here, over there. It goes 1 across there, 1 across there. Goes 1 up there, 1 up there. Take that across. Right at the top, it goes all the way across. You can see 1, 2 lines going into that corner. I need a 3rd line. There's my 3rd line. 1, 2 lines going into that corner. I need a 3rd line. 1, 2 lines going into that corner. I need a 3rd line. Same story over here. That was easy. Right, look at this. 1, 2 lines going into that corner. I need a 3rd line. Where's that 3rd line going? Well, it's going from there up to the top. And I come over here. I see that there's another little line going up to the top, 1 block away. Those 2 lines should be parallel to each other. Right, I've got 1, 2 lines going into that corner. I need a 3rd line coming down. I'm just going to use another color over here just to highlight this idea. another line coming down from that corner. It's a construction line that I've just drawn. I've got 1, 2 lines going into that corner. I need a third line coming across there. And you see how that links up over there, and that links up over there. Right, so I come across and I've got this little story over here. I'm going to start by drawing one block across and drawing a line going across over there. How do I know where to stop? Well, I'm going to have a construction line coming across from this corner. 1, 2 lines going into that corner. Construction line coming across. I can now draw a line going from there across to there. I then count up here. 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks going up. 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks going up. And I can now draw in that little line going over there. I count 1 block across over there, and I have a line that's going to come down to a point 1 block across from there. There we go. You'll see that I've got 2 lines going into that corner. I need a third line coming across here. It would be hidden detail going to that point, but we don't need to put that in. Right, coming over here, I have got 1 block going across over here. I've got a line coming back over there. And you'll see that I've got this line going at an angle over here. Where does that go to? Well, I want you to look at this idea. This would be hidden detail coming across to that point over there. And then I would have to go 4 blocks up, the same as on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks up. That point over there, okay? That point over there, I'm going to link that up with that point down at the bottom. And that's how you get that little line in the correct place over there. So there it is. And then going 4 blocks up, I'm just going to do that in another color so that you can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks going up to the top over there. See that? So there's my little triangle story going all the way in over there to the correct point. But you don't need to draw in the hidden detail over here. Right, is this thing finished? No, okay. Count the corners. 1, 2 lines going into that corner. I need a third line coming down. 1, 2 lines going into that corner. I need a third line going across. 1, 2 lines going into that corner. I need a third line going across. 1, 2 lines going into that corner. I need a third line going back over there. 1, 2 lines going into that corner. Line going back. 1, 2 lines going into that corner. Line going back there. 1, 2 lines going into that corner. Line going back there. And there is your drawing, except for 1, 2 lines going in there, 1, 2 lines going in there. I need that little piece in there. And there we have it.